This is Ngotin Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns to Supersport North. My sister,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm very well and you?
Good. What's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Vinolia Kwaju. I'm from Mamelodi.
Yeah.
Co-branching here, Mamelodi Far East Branch.
100%. How do you feel about the game tonight?
In surprises, I was very surprised, especially the second half. Ne? But surprisingly happy.
And then you thought maybe you're gonna lose the game or maybe you're gonna draw.
Yes, I thought I
Why? Is it because of the previous games or what?
because of the previous games, Elaya Kefe Akebale, ne?
Yeah,
But
yeah,
because of the MTN.
MTN, especially MTN, because
Yeah.
I think you played 3 games there, and then you didn't score any goal. Yeah.
I think many members will disagree with me, but I think Sundowns is bigger than Mangoba. I
Yeah,
would
ne?
say, ne? And personally, I would like to say I still miss Orlando, but not that I am disrespecting Umangoba.
Yes,
No,
yes.
I am not.
Why do you think Sundowns is bigger than Mangoba?
The way you know what he wants to do, he wants to he wants to change the game.
Everything that
Yes,
that Rulani
everything that Rulani has built, Pito has built. Remember, Pito built Sundowns.
and then Rulani came.
However, and then
Exactly.
Rulani came in, but he didn't change the structure.
Exactly.
So Rulani wants to change that particular structure, and
Mangoba.
yes, Mangoba wants to change that particular structure, and then structures like changing, it's costing us.
And it's spinal cord, you can't change it. Yeah.
Exactly. So believe you me, each and every game here down, starting from now on, I'm very scared.
Yeah, never.
I only celebrate at the end.
After, yeah.
Has it win, but from starting lineup, Hakishaba starting lineup. For in case today,
It was not convincing.
Mudau was out.
Mukwena was there.
Mukona was out. Teboho
Even
was
Mshishi
out.
was out.
Mushishi was out as well.
Modiba also was out,
Modiba
yeah.
was out as well. So I was so scared. I am not saying Hore Sundowns it's Modiba. It's Mudiba and you get what I'm saying.
100%,
They are not them. But then only these certain games, tolerating, we have to watch or we are playing this.
You need
and
those
this,
players.
yes, this is a must-win game.
Exactly, yeah.
You cannot put these certain players. I'm not undermining any Sundowns player. All of them, they are good.
Yeah, yeah.
But then we should watch which games. Like for instance, game Eroto Yankadi 28. Imagine
Against
if
Kaizer
this
Chiefs. Yeah.
against Kaizer Chiefs and the Kaizer Chiefs that we have saw on Saturday.
Yeah.
And then
Dangerous, yeah. Especially in the middle field.
They are going to kill us.
Look at you, they've got Sereno now, your former player.
And
He's angry at you. He's mad.
He's angry at us.
Yeah.
Utlaka anger and he's so good.
Exactly, yeah.
What I like about Sereno, Uyata Komiba Kom. He's fighting. He's fighting.
Yeah.
He's not so selfish. And then all popular Joe Utongi. And go for Bolo Kontori.
How can you trap our
That is the opinion. So imagine if Barsetete touching 11-8.
Yeah, it's gonna be a problem. And Chiefs has got young boys. You know, I saw which Mangoba can give also Mabena a chance. You know,
I also wanted to say to you, Hengebe Oboni, the first LA Tom, first 45 minutes.
that's how. Yeah,
Shalulile was lost.
I was lost.
Shalulile was so lost.
Couldn't make 2 touches.
Abamu passes the ball like he is there. He is there, but no one is passing him.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
This is not our Sundowns. Sundowns, they're another thing. We could have scored
You share goals. Yeah.
first 45 minutes.
Yeah.
That's all I wanted.
No, thank you very much, my sister.
Yeah.
All the best on the 28th.
Thank you
Hopefully
very
you'll be
much.
fine. Eh? Sharp.